We know mobilisation and working on your mobility is generally an afterthought for most people. It only really comes into their mind once they're actually injured and they think that's what they need to do to get a quick fix to get back lifting or training or doing whatever again. But whenever a joint is actually compressed and it's not very mobile, it actually makes you weaker. So you're usually, if you don't bother mobilising or working on your mobility, you're operating at less than optimal levels. So if you do open up your joints, give them a full range of movement, they actually add to your strength. It sends better signals to your brain. There's an old saying, compressed joints make weak muscles, open joints make strong muscles. So using that, we're going to do a couple of elbow circles today and show you how to open up your elbows with a full range of motion. Because the elbow's job is mainly stability, we like to mobilise stabilising joints with a little bit of body weight. So what we're going to do is we're going to get on all fours, you're going to have your fingers pointing forwards, and you're going to rotate your elbows so the pit of your elbow is forward. Then you're going to bend your elbows with a slight amount of body weight so that they come close to the floor. Then you're going to take them in a nice big quarter circle out to the side. Then you're going to straighten your elbows back up again. So the pit of your elbows will be facing each other this time. Then you're going to rotate them back out, forward. Then you're going to reverse it. Repeat that both directions about 5 to 10 times. Now this is taking your elbow through a full range of motion and a little bit of rotation. And that's what it needs. To find out how to mobilise other joints in the body, check out the website www.movetoperform.co.uk. But remember, mobilisation of all your joints is really important if you want to perform well.